Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best under-desk PC mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off the countdown at number 5, we have the VIVO Adjustable Under-Desk and Wall PC Mount, model Mount PC01L. This mount is designed to securely hold large PC cases, offering both under-desk and wall mounting options. With adjustable width ranging from 8.3 to 13 inches and height from 14.6 to 25.2 inches, it accommodates a wide variety of PC sizes. The 135-degree swivel feature stands out, allowing easy access to the back of your PC for port and cable management, which is perfect for tech enthusiasts who frequently connect and disconnect peripherals. In terms of design, the mount is built with sturdy alloy steel and features a powder-coated finish for durability. The addition of thick protective padding ensures that your PC case remains scratch-free. Its ability to support up to 44 pounds makes it a reliable choice for heavier setups. However, the overall size and weight of the mount might make installation a bit challenging for some users, especially for smaller desks or tight spaces. The VIVO Mount PC01L is ideal for users with large PC cases who want a durable and adjustable mounting solution. While the swivel feature is a great addition, the overall bulk of the mount and the lack of a more streamlined design might not appeal to those with limited space. Despite these considerations, this product is a solid option if you're looking for versatility and accessibility. At number 4, we have the PUTORSEN Under-Desk PC Mount. This mount is all about flexibility and heavy-duty support, making it a great option for those with heavier or bulkier PC cases. With an impressive weight capacity of up to 77 pounds, this mount is constructed with industrial-grade steel, ensuring long-lasting durability. It offers both vertical and horizontal mounting options, so you can customize the setup to fit your desk configuration. It's also compatible with a range of case sizes, including mid-tower and mini-tower designs. One of the standout features of the PUTORSEN mount is its open-frame design, which promotes better airflow to prevent overheating. This is particularly beneficial for gaming setups or high-performance PCs that generate a lot of heat. Additionally, the mount's adjustable width and height make it versatile enough for various types of motherboards, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX. However, the slightly complex installation process might deter users who are looking for a quick and straightforward setup. The PUTORSEN mount is best suited for users with heavy-duty PCs or those who prioritize flexibility in their mounting options. While it excels in strength and functionality, it may not be the most aesthetically pleasing option for minimalist setups. Regardless, its robust build and compatibility make it a strong contender in the under-desk mount market. Coming in at number 3 is the Feirun Under-Desk Slide-Out PC Mount. This mount takes convenience to the next level with its unique sliding track design. The 9.2-inch sliding mechanism allows users to easily access their PC without detaching it from the mount, making it a perfect choice for those who frequently need to reach their PC's ports or components. With a maximum load capacity of 44 pounds, it's compatible with most standard PC towers. The Feirun mount is crafted from sturdy alloy steel and features anti-scratch sponge padding to protect your PC case from damage. Its compact design is aimed at freeing up desk space, making it an excellent option for smaller workstations. However, the sliding mechanism, while convenient, might not feel as robust as some other mounts on this list, especially for heavier PCs. This mount is ideal for users who value easy access to their PC and have lighter to mid-weight setups. While it may lack the heavy-duty build of some competitors, its functionality and space-saving design make it a great choice for compact workspaces and creative setups. At number 2, we have the VIVO Mount PC02S, a versatile under-desk and wall mount that combines adjustability with a lightweight design. This mount is compatible with a wide range of PC cases thanks to its adjustable anti-skid strap system. It can accommodate cases with a perimeter of up to 60 inches, making it one of the most adaptable options on the market. It supports up to 44 pounds which is sufficient for most standard PC towers. The design incorporates heavy-duty steel brackets and a slotted mechanism for fine-tuning adjustments even after installation. This ensures a snug fit for your PC. The anti-skid straps provide added security, while the open design helps maintain airflow to keep your PC cool. However, the reliance on straps rather than a fully enclosed frame might not inspire confidence for users with heavier setups. The VIVO Mount PC02S is perfect for users who prioritize adjustability and lightweight design. While it might not be the best choice for heavier or bulkier PCs, its ease of installation and adaptability make it a fantastic option for everyday setups and smaller desks. Finally, at the top of our list and claiming the #1 spot is the VIVO Heavy Duty Adjustable Under-Desk PC Mount, model Mount PC04B. This mount is the ultimate combination of durability, adjustability, and user-friendly features. Designed to support up to 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, it's built from high-grade steel and features an open frame design that promotes excellent airflow, making it ideal for high-performance PCs with significant cooling needs. The adjustable frame is highly versatile, with 5 height settings ranging from 41 centimeters to 61 centimeters, and width adjustments from 13 centimeters to 25 centimeters. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of PC cases. Its secure locking mechanism adds an extra layer of stability, preventing any wobbling or shifting. The installation process is straightforward, and the mount includes all the necessary hardware. Plus, the 3-year manufacturer warranty ensures peace of mind for long-term use. This mount is perfect for users who want a premium solution for mounting their PC under the desk. Its combination of robust construction, excellent ventilation, and user-friendly design makes it well worth the investment. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the features and build quality make it the clear winner for anyone seeking a high-end under-desk PC mount. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.